Yes, my dear children, today we are going to discuss about trial balance. Basically, it's a very simple concept. So, as per the CBSE syllabus, we are always calling it as a chapter, but this is not a chapter, this is a basic concept. So, if I'm talking about the trial balance, what does it mean? Yes, it means simply trial balance means a trial of balances. What does it mean? Trial of balances. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਅਕਾਊਂਟਸ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਸਟੈਪਸ ਨੇ ਬੇਟਾ. ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਆਫ ਸਟੈਪ that is we always pass the entry into the journal, then we transfer it into the ledger. In the ledger we just find out the balances. What we find out? Find out the balances. Always balance to be carried down, then balance to be brought down. Yes. So when we find out the balance that is to be brought down, so we will prepare a trial balance. Now why we prepare a trial balance? Yes, we prepare trial balance because at this stage we are at a half of our accountancy. Yes, why half of our accountancy? Because till now we have done all our accounts up to the 50%. Now before moving towards the next step, that is called as trading and profit and loss account, and then the balance sheet, before that I need to check myself, or it's a requirement to check myself till now whether my accounts are okay or not. What does it mean? My accounts are okay or not? What does it mean? It simply means till now whatever I have did, so I did it in a right manner, or there is something that is not in a right manner. So with the help of this thing I can check the accuracy of my all the accounts, of my all the entries, like all my all the concepts. So this is the method, this is the way, this is a process in which I can check the accuracy, called as trial balance. Now what I will do, or what we have to do in this chapter, this is a very common simple chapter. In this chapter we will revise our two chapters. First one journal, second one ledger. These are the revision topics, and with the help of this balance problem we will prepare a trial balance. How? Let's see. First of all, we need to take a question, a statement. With the help of that, first of all we will pass out the journal entries. Yes, we will pass out all the journal entries. Then after the journal we will prepare a ledger accounts. We will prepare a ledger accounts. After completion of the ledger accounts, when you find the balance called balance BD brought down, afterwards we will start to prepare a trial balance. Basically in this trial balance we are taking the trial. What we are doing? We are just taking the trial of what? Trial of balances. The trial of balances of the different accounts that we are going to prepare, or we have prepared in the ledger accounts. So after in this case we will take a trial, and in this process if your debit side, the total of your debit side match with your credit side and balance funds to be equal, it simply means in this trial we have checked the balance, that is debit is equal to the credit. It means till now my all the accounts are okay and accurate, and I can move further to prepare the trading account and profit and loss account. Clear? So this is a simply method or a way to check out the accuracy of the different accounts and the account balances. So in the trial balance we have the different methods to prepare it, like total method, balance method, and the compound method. So today first of all we will start with a very basic concept how to complete the accounts. Like for example, Today in this video I am going to just give you an overview how to prepare these accounts. After the completion of my journal, I have prepared the ledger accounts, different ledger accounts. I am going to take up one example. Like here I have capital account and I have a say machinery account. In the capital account, like I first entry like start business with the cash, the entry would be cash to capital. So in the capital it is by cash. You know the treatment why it is by cash, because we have already discussed in the we can say journal. So here in this case, when I'm totaling, I found a balance here called as balance carried down 1 lakh, and when I carried it out, then is called as balance brought down, say 1 lakh. So it is brought it down. We will pick up the brought it down balance. And in the machinery for say purchase machinery for cash, so entry would be machinery account debit to cash. So here we have to cash, say machinery purchased for be 50,000, and there is no any entry, that's why I am going to prepare a total. So here we have 50,000 and here I have also 50,000. So here I found the balance 50,000 because there is no any transaction. So in the next month or first day of the next month, I brought it down the balance called 50,000. So here I have balance 50,000 in the debit side and here in the credit side. So I will prepare a trial balance. The format will be, we can say, particulars, debit and credit. The very basic simple fundamentals: all the assets are on the debit side, all the liabilities are on the credit side. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. It's a very simple thing. I'm going to repeat: all the assets are to be debited and all the liabilities are to be credited, or shortcut we can say debit all the expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So you know very well capital is always a credit side, liability. So I'll put the capital on the liability side, credit side we can say, and machinery is my asset. So here is the machinery is to be asset 50,000. So simply when we are going to prepare the different accounts, we will found the balance in this form, and accordingly if you found the balance on the credit side, so you will put it on the credit side, and if you found the balance BD on the debit side, you will put it on the debit side. When by completing all these accounts, at the end you will make a total. If your total is debit side total is equal to your credit side total, it means your accounts are accurate and complete. So this is a complete process to prepare a trial balance. So in the coming video we will solve a complete sum. I'll show you how to prepare ledger accounts and how to, we can say, prepare a trial balance. Clear? For any query, any doubt, please call me anytime. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.